Ini kita lagi pada ngepak-ngepak barang. Ini ada yang lagi maksa-maksa barang. Ya.
Si bensin keluar highway pertama mungkin.
Continue the journey from Zagreb to Budapest. We stopped briefly at the Lake Balaton area for lunch.
Kita lewat jembatan.
Jembatan di Budapest.
After arriving in the city of Budapest, we immediately explored the city, starting with the Great Market Hall. The largest market in the city, covering an area of 10,000 square meters. The ground floor sells vegetables, fruits, sausages, meat and various herbs. Most of the stalls sell paprika, both processed and fresh. Second floor and we find many sellers of souvenirs, clothes and tablecloths typical of Hungary. And the third floor, we found a Hungarian food vendor that was crowded with tourists. This market is open from 7 a.m., equipped with ATMs, toilets and Wi-Fi. This is the Liberty Bridge, built 1894 to 1896, with a length of 336.6 meters and a width of 20.1 meters. Church in a cave, with the name Gellert Hill Cave or known for St. Ivan's Cave. Was built in a cave on the side of Budapest in the 1920s. It was blocked up for quite a while starting in 1960 with concrete, until the blockage was demolished in 1991. It has reopened and in 2010 started allowing tourists. tiny baths, built in 1913, is the most visited and much praised attraction in Budapest. Relaxing, fun, affordable and, at night, romantic. In addition to the marvelous medicinal natural hot spring waters and the 18 pools, there are 10 saunas, steam cabins, several massage therapies, facial treatments, and more.
Yes, sir.
But the price, good? What is this tree?
This is mushroom champignon.
Sir, no photos. Go ahead.